Hello, this side Sonam, and I am from Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Actually, today I have brought something for everyone. That is this. It is, you can see over here. This is Spiruhachi spirulina. Okay, a herbal nutrients. Okay, actually this 2 gram of spirulina is equal to 2 kgs of fruits and vegetables. Earlier, after my delivery, I had a huge hair loss problem, and apart from it, on my skin, very dark spots, acne were coming out, and if I talk about my immunity level, it was very weak. As the water changes or climate changes, I used to become ill, but right now, after using from last 1 year, I have seen a horrible, or I would say miracle change in my physical condition. First thing, my hair fall issue, because after baby my hair fall was from deep root, but right now my hair fall is like 0%. My hair got stronger from its roots to the end, and it is very shinier, as you can see over here. Okay, apart from it, my immunity got boosted up, and because for a Indian mother or Indian bahu, I would say, it is very tough, because first of all we have to look our family, our kids, our husband, and then we have to take out time for ourselves. So it was really tough for me doing this all thing, and I was not getting a single time for my. So I was like every day, as if it was like what to say, I was my digestion issue, my constipation problem, and a normal lady problem, I would say, that most of the lady suffers from. But right now, after using this, because it is recommended by WHO, you would imagine WHO is World Health Organization. Right now, you might have come across a very severe condition of corona COVID-19, and all Indians are facing with this problem. Not Indians, but yes, globally. So right now, our Prime Minister Narendra Singh Modi have also suggested us to stay home, stay safe. Apart from it, he have also suggested to look after our immunity system. Why? Because the first defense to for us from corona, to prevent from corona, is like our own immunity system. So if our immunity is strong, then only we can fight with this problem. So right now I would suggest every Indian, or globally also, that please look after your immunity, your health, your family immunity, as well as stay home. And right now, this Spiruhachi spirulina is a pure form of spirulina, and you can have 100% faith on it, and everyone can have this. Because in my home, my in-laws, everyone in my family members, my mother lives in Noida, UP, it comes under UP. She is also consuming it, and because of this, their immunity level is like boosted up, and this is natural source of immunity booster. So everyone can go with this option. Thank you so much.